Alright guys, so today I think I might have made the perfect ratchet. I've always wanted the hard handles on these snap-on ratchets, but they make them so small. The hard handles are so much smaller than the soft handles are. So you want to put a screwdriver handle on your hard handle ratchet. The problem is the tang inside of these hard handle ratchets is so short that it doesn't really fill out most of the screwdriver handle. So I bought this one with a soft handle on it and took it off. The soft handles have longer tangs inside of them, so it actually fills out this screwdriver handle better. And originally I bought this one to replace the handle on it with a screwdriver handle. Turns out it's broken, but in the process of doing this, realized how short the tang is in these, and that it wouldn't really be a good fit for the screwdriver handles. You can make it work, but buying a soft grip handle, putting a screwdriver handle on it is the way to go. You get a nice big handle. Feels right in the hand. It's about the size of the soft grip, which is what I wanted. I wanted this size, but with a hard handle on it. And yeah, I love it. I think I made the perfect ratchet here. I wish Snap-on sold it like this so I didn't have to do all of that. But you can get these on eBay or from your Snap-on dealer. They're cheaper from the Snap-on dealer, but the Snap-on dealer normally only has the standard colors, like black and green and stuff. If you want, you know, pink, teal, yellow, high vis, pearl blue, any of that, you probably have to get it on eBay or something. But enjoy the video. I started it a little bit into the project, so you don't see the beginning, but I explain the rest and how to do it. And hopefully you guys like it. Bought the soft grip, and then I bought this pearl grip for the screwdrivers. Pearl blue. It's about the size of the soft grip, and it should fit on here nicely. So I am drilling the depths into this handle. So getting one drill bit, drilling it all the way down. 108 millimeters is the length of this shaft. So 108 millimeters of this size, which was 21/64, I believe, it's the smaller one. So drill it all the way out 21/64, and then stepped up to, I think this one was 25/64. So then drilled 25/64 down to where it starts to taper down. Tape off. You can tape off your drill bit so you know how deep to go. And then doing this last part, it steps just a little bit right here. It steps up just a tad to about 10.5, 10.6 millimeters, which is pretty close to a 27/64, I believe. So now I'm going to drill that last part. Let's see, maybe 17.5 millimeters. You want to see that this is 109, so it's about a millimeter over, but there's plenty of room. This is, I think, 120 total, or 120 something, 124, so there's room to spare. You go about 17 millimeters deep. Mark that on the drill bit. Eyeball it. Bit out. Yeah, maybe just a tiny bit deeper than that. I'm gonna eyeball it from there. I'd rather not go deep enough to be able to change it later than go too deep, so let's do that. I don't have a drill press here, so you're about to see my fancy setup. 10.48 approximately. 10.75. I think if I heat it up, it'll be fine. We're about to find out. That's pretty snug. Still working on that shit? Did you get keys? No. Almost. Yep. I'm sure there's other people that want to do the same thing. All right, there it is. It's pretty straight on the with the head. Fits pretty nice. Ratchet's still warm compared to the old handle that was on it. I like it. You can spin it, you can spin the handle on the shaft all the way until you get to those fins that are sticking out at the very end. Once you get to those fins, you can no longer spin it. There's, oh here, I'll just take it out. So this is the OEM handle. So same ratchet, OEM handle versus the screwdriver handle. This one is just, it's not bad. It's just a little small. It feels more like one of these 1/4 inch. Feels kind of like a 1/4 inch ratchet on a big handle. This one's pretty nice. Good size. Not as big as like a 1/2 inch, kind of. Bigger than, this is another screwdriver handle. Bigger than that one. It's good size. I like it. If you like these, or if you got any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to respond to all the comments and help you with anything that you might need.